Welcome to Georgia Hair Solutions. We'd love for you to come be our guest and sit in this chair at one of our locations, either in Jackson, Georgia, Edmond, Oklahoma, or Waxahachie, Texas. But if you can't come be our guest and sit in the chair, we have Melissa for you.
Absolutely. So if you visit with me on virtual, you get an opportunity to share your story just like you would be doing right here in this chair. You share your story, you can ask questions. I'm going to show you all of the different colors. I'll have them all behind me so you can see everything that we have in the shop. As well as I'm going to put a few wigs on my head as well. I want to make sure that you feel comfortable. I can match your color this way. And then once you've decided you want to make a purchase, I just send you an invoice. I ship everything out on Fridays. And then I follow up with you with a video. Make sure that you say to me, I dig the wig. And if you don't dig the wig, we have some things that we can work out as well. There is a return and an exchange option for you as well.
I love how you troubleshoot with ladies and to make sure we want you to be happy. And if that's either coming in our shop and sitting down with us, or if it's going to go online with Melissa, it's a great option. So we absolutely love it.
Yeah, so come and see us. Either way.
I love what God's doing in the shop.
Yeah.
And we have best friends all over the world. And when y'all come in, it's so amazing just to get to hear your story. And that's what we want to do with Melissa. So she gets to hear your story too. And we just want you to feel beautiful and to have the hair of your dreams.
And sometimes you get a little gift inside your box. So
Oh,
order with me.
Sweet. Love it. You can go to georgiahairsolutions.com to sign up for that. Thank y'all.